Did you know that as you age, your legs may become your most overlooked and vulnerable assets? We're all guilty of focusing on our heart, brain, and bones. But what happens when our legs start to lose their strength? Imagine struggling with simple tasks like climbing stairs or walking across the room. For many seniors, this becomes a reality, but it doesn't have to. Today, we're uncovering the 6 essential nutrients that can keep your legs strong, energized, and independent as you age. These nutrients are not just about comfort, they're about regaining the freedom to move without limitations. Ready to take control of your leg health? Let's dive into the science of leg strength and the power of nutrition to change the game. 1. Protein, the powerhouse for muscle strength. As we age, one of the first signs that we're getting older often shows up in our legs. Tasks like climbing stairs become more challenging, long walks leave us exhausted, and even standing up from a chair can seem like a monumental task. These small changes can be the early signs of sarcopenia, the slow decline of muscle mass that affects almost 1 in 3 adults over the age of 60. But what if we told you this doesn't have to be inevitable? The key to fighting this muscle decline is protein. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's absolutely essential for healthy aging, especially when it comes to maintaining strong legs. As we get older, our muscles require more protein to repair and build themselves because our body becomes less efficient at this process. This is where leucine, an amino acid found in foods like eggs, dairy, and lean meats, comes into play. Leucine acts as a switch to signal muscle growth, and without it, even a meal packed with protein might not be enough to maintain muscle mass. When protein intake is insufficient, your legs begin to lose strength, leading to greater chances of falling, reduced mobility, and prolonged recovery from injuries. Thankfully, you can take proactive steps to prevent this muscle breakdown. Studies show that older adults should aim for 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, spread out across meals. High leucine protein sources like whey, eggs, chicken, and fish are especially effective, but even plant-based options like tofu, quinoa, and lentils can play a significant role. 2. Creatine, fueling your leg muscles for energy. Creatine is often associated with bodybuilders, but it's becoming more recognized for its potential benefits in promoting healthy aging. Creatine is a natural compound found in your muscles that helps to replenish energy, specifically ATP, the molecule responsible for muscle contraction. When you're walking, standing, or climbing stairs, your muscles use ATP to generate movement. However, as we age, our natural creatine stores deplete, causing us to feel more fatigued and less stable. But here's the catch. Creatine isn't just for muscle growth. It's crucial for preserving leg strength and preventing muscle loss as we age. Even those who lead a sedentary lifestyle or experience frailty can benefit from creatine. Studies show that combining creatine supplementation with light resistance training results in noticeable improvements in walking speed, balance, and overall leg strength. Recent research also suggests that creatine helps maintain bone density because of the greater force that strengthened muscles exert on bones, which could potentially reduce the risk of fractures from falls. The best part? Creatine works quickly. Unlike other supplements that require months for subtle changes, creatine can show results in just a few weeks, making it a vital nutrient for seniors seeking to preserve independence and stability. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, the anti-inflammation miracle. For many seniors, leg pain, stiffness, and swelling are an unfortunate part of aging. These symptoms are often linked to chronic inflammation in the body, particularly in the joints. From aching knees to stiff ankles, this inflammation can severely hinder mobility. This is where omega-3 fatty acids come in. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint discomfort and improve circulation in your legs. Unlike over-the-counter medications that only mask pain temporarily, omega-3s work from the inside out, modulating the body's inflammatory response at a cellular level. But that's not all. Omega-3s also help improve circulation by promoting blood flow, which is crucial for the health of your leg muscles and nerves. As we age, circulation naturally slows down, which can lead to cold feet, delayed wound healing, and nerve damage. Omega-3s help maintain healthy blood vessels and prevent clots, ensuring that your legs get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. 4. Glucosamine, protecting your joints from wear and tear. If you've ever felt the stiffness and discomfort in your knees or other joints, you may be familiar with glucosamine. Glucosamine is a vital compound that helps to maintain cartilage, the connective tissue that cushions your joints and helps them move smoothly. As we age, our body produces less glucosamine, leading to the gradual breakdown of cartilage and resulting in pain and stiffness, particularly in the knees. But here's the good news. Glucosamine supplements can help rebuild and protect your cartilage. Studies have shown that glucosamine can ease joint pain, improve mobility, and even slow down the progression of joint damage, especially in the knees. It works by promoting the production of new cartilage and nourishing the joint fluid that keeps your joints lubricated. If you're dealing with joint pain or stiffness, glucosamine can be a lifesaver. While it may take some time to experience results, consistent use over the course of several weeks can significantly improve your leg function and comfort, making everyday activities easier and less painful. 5. Collagen, the essential building block for leg stability. Collagen isn't just a buzzword in the beauty industry. It plays a crucial role in the health of your legs. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, and it forms the structure of your skin, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. However, as you age, your body's natural collagen production declines, leading to less stable joints and tendons, making movement feel less fluid. By supplementing with collagen peptides, you can help restore the stability and elasticity of your leg tissues. Collagen peptides are broken down into smaller amino acid chains that your body can easily absorb and use. They've been shown to reduce joint pain, improve flexibility, and even increase bone density, making them an essential part of maintaining strong, functional legs. What's more, collagen works best when paired with vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen more efficiently. This powerful combination can enhance your joint health, reduce discomfort, and improve mobility, ensuring that your legs stay strong for years to come. 6. Curcumin, the natural anti-inflammatory solution. Inflammation in your legs can cause pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Enter curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that has been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and fight pain. If you're dealing with chronic joint pain, especially in the knees or ankles, curcumin could be the natural solution you've been searching for. What makes curcumin so effective is its ability to inhibit enzymes that cause inflammation in the body. Unlike traditional anti-inflammatory drugs that often come with side effects, curcumin provides a gentler alternative without compromising effectiveness. It's particularly beneficial for conditions like osteoarthritis, where inflammation in the joints causes discomfort and limits movement. Curcumin also has antioxidant properties, helping to protect your muscles, nerves, and tissues from damage caused by free radicals. This makes it a great supplement for seniors, particularly those who suffer from conditions like peripheral neuropathy, where nerve damage can lead to pain and numbness in the legs. Now that you know the 6 essential nutrients that can help prevent leg cramps and keep your legs strong, it's time to take action. Start by including these nutrients in your diet, and don't forget to speak with your doctor before introducing any new supplements. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss our tips for healthy aging. And don't forget to leave us a comment below. Let us know what other health topics you'd like us to cover. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.